When using WPS Office for mobile, we can set a password to protect a PDF document. The document receiver should enter a password before opening or editing the PDF. Click Tools, go to the Edit tab, and choose Set Password. There are two types of protection. One is Enable Reading Protection, while the other is Enable Editing Protection. 1. Enable Reading Protection. Enter the password for reading protection. In this example, we set WPS as the password. Then click Confirm and exit the document. If we want to open the PDF again, a password is needed. Enter the password in the pop-up. Then we can read the PDF again. Enable Editing Protection. Enter the protection password. Here we set it as WPS. Then, when we return to the editing interface, the password is needed for editing the document. Enter the password, and we can edit on the PDF. We can also remove the password. Return to the password setting interface. Delete the password to cancel the protection. Note that you need to remember the password, or else the PDF will be locked.